Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to screenshot on Windows. So there are two ways to take a screenshot on your Windows. The first one is by pressing the combination of Shift, Windows, and S buttons simultaneously. This will make this bar appear at the top of your screen, where you'll be able to choose the screenshot mode. The alternative way to do that is simply by pressing the print screen button on your keyboard. Then make sure that snip option is selected right here, and then select the snipping area and choose one of the 4 available modes for your screenshot. For example, the rectangular mode allows you to make a selection using the left key of your mouse on your screenshot on your screen, and once you make this selection, the screenshot is taken and is automatically saved into File Explorer, Pictures folder, Screenshots folder, and here's the screenshot that you just took. The next screenshot mode is the windowed mode screenshot, and in order to take a windowed screenshot, you just have to select a window that you want to take a screenshot of. Once you select it, the screenshot will look somewhat like this, depending on what your window looks like at the moment. Now the third way to take a screenshot is the full screen screenshot, and basically once you select this option, the screenshot is taken automatically, and it looks well like the full screen screenshot of your computer. Now the last option of a screenshot is a freeform screenshot, and it's somewhat like a rectangular one, but you can basically paint any shape that you like on your screen, and once you make a selection and once you like it, you can just release the left key of your mouse, and Windows will take a screenshot of your selection exclusively, and it looks somewhat like this depending on the shape that you painted. And that's basically how you screenshot on Windows. So I hope I mentioned everything. So if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.